If you hear your name in a blizzard, don't answer. He was Mi'kmaq, a warrior. He did something no one would speak of. He walked into the winter forest alone, never came back. The cold reached his chest. His heart turned to ice. By spring, he was taller, hollow, skin like frozen bark. The elders had a name for him, Chenoo. He remembers every voice he ever heard. Your mother, your brother, your child. He calls, you follow, he feeds. One thing can save him, warm salt fed to him without fear. No one has ever tried. He still knows your name.